2-1. All right. Off to a great start here, picking up a ton of cubes. Pushing all of these reds off of the platform, so that's 5 points per red knocked off. Tons of green cubes getting scored into this first goal. As we get to 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Big Banana getting purple cubes on the goal line. Let's now switch drivers. Big Banana with a ton of purple cubes. It seems as if they dropped some of the cubes. As we get to the last 10 seconds, we'll see teams if they're going to go try to park. With 5 seconds left, enter the end here, going to the park. Big Banana, can they make it 3, 2, 1? All right, qualification match 21, we have 5-0-8-0-2F. That's Cyber Clubs 2.0.